In this video, I will show you how to sum values between two numbers in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some order numbers and their amounts in these columns. Now I want to sum up all the orders whose total amount is between $50 and $100. We can use the Excel SUMIFS function to sum cells between two numbers. The SUMIFS function returns the sum of the values in a range that meets multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria using this function. To sum the values between two numbers, I will sum all the cells that are greater than or equal to $50 and less than or equal to $100. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type SUMIFS followed by an opening bracket. Since we want to sum the order total amount, select the amount cell range as the sum range argument. Let's select the amount cell range as the first criteria range argument. Type the greater than or equal to sign followed by the number 50 in the double quotes as the first criteria argument. Select the same amount range as the second criteria range argument. Type the less than or equal to sign followed by the number 100 in the double quotes as the second criteria argument. Type the closing bracket of the SUMIFS function. Overall, this formula means sum all the cells of the amount range that are greater than or equal to $50 and less than or equal to $100. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the sum of the cells that are between two numbers. Instead of hard coding the values directly into the formula, we can also reference the cells containing the values. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have start and end numbers in these cells. Let's modify the formula to reference the cell values instead of the hard-coded numbers by appending them to the greater than or equal to sign and less than or equal to sign using the ampersand like this. As you can see, we now have the sum between two numbers given in these cells. It also means that whenever we change the start or end number, the sum will be calculated automatically. We can also use the SUMPRODUCT function to calculate the sum between two numbers. Here is the formula to do that. These two conditions check if the cells are greater than or equal to the start number and less than or equal to the end number respectively. They both return an array of 5 elements containing true and false values. A true value if the condition is true and false otherwise. The multiplication operation converts these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. The result of the multiplication is an array containing 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0. The value 1 indicates that the particular cell has satisfied both conditions, while 0 indicates that the cell has failed at least one condition. This array is then multiplied with the respective amount cells, which results in an array containing the amounts between two numbers, while the rest of the amounts become 0, thus filtered out. Finally, the SUMPRODUCT function sums up the array elements and the result is 115. As you can see, we now have the sum between two numbers. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.